My name is Joseph Cloud. I'm an associate here at Hecht Walker. We represent businesses in connection with insurance disputes, primarily when they have an insurance claim and either it's rejected or the insurance company is not accepting liability on a claim. And what we do is we review the insurance contracts and we determine whether there's coverage and then how best to get coverage, which mostly involves threatening litigation under the bad faith statutes in Georgia law that basically requires an insurance company to properly adjust an insurance claim, and it provides penalties and attorney's fees when they don't properly adjust a claim or they reject a meritorious claim. The insurance company goal is largely profit motivated, but it also depends quite a bit on the insurance companies. One thing that we found doing this type of litigation is not only do different companies do things differently, but different adjusters within the company will treat claims differently. So our goal, if we can't deal with the insurance company, is to get to the point where we're dealing with an attorney who has more authority to settle out a claim. We do take cases to trial, we mediate. It depends a lot on the nature of a claim. We will typically try and resolve something as early in the process as we can that's a favorable resolution to the client. With insurance companies, a lot of times they're willing to negotiate early. If not, we're certainly willing to mediate, and if we're still at a complete impasse, we're willing to take a case to trial. But we do find that insurance companies tend to settle once they realize that they've got a real claim out there, partially because of the bad faith penalties, increases their liability quite a bit. When an insurance company sees our letterhead, they know that it's not going to be a frivolous claim, and they know that we're going to vigorously defend our client's interests and try to get as much money as is owed or defense of the claim as required by the case. I've been handling bad faith insurance claims since I came to the firm a little over 5 years ago, and have regularly dealt with insurance issues for construction clients and other businesses that routinely have insurance claims.